Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the username in TikTok. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface of TikTok and to the rightmost bottom you'll be having the profile icon. Select it and you'll be taken to the profile, and here you'll be having a small edit option. Select it, and if you want to change the name of your account you can just click it and change your name. It can be changed only 7 days once, that's with name, and our focus is on username. So here we will be having the username. You can just click here, and this username can be changed only once in every 30 days. So just make sure that you have selected the proper username. So I'll just change it like this, and if it is available you will be getting this green color check mark, and this username will also determine link of your TikTok profile. As you can see there, it comes down. Once you are good, just click on save and set username, and it's saved. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.